Hey guys, today I'm going to go over a few basics of navigating inside Ubuntu Linux. And so let's get started. You can see that I have a terminal open right now. I open that by going to the dash home and doing a search. If you just type in terminal, you'll be able to find it right here. By the way, this is Ubuntu 11.10. It's the latest version as of December 2011. So, yeah. First off, we're going to show to the screen what directory we are currently in. And to do that, we type in pwd, which stands for present working directory. Hit that and it'll show you the directory that you're in. Now I'm in home Kyle. If I want to see the files and other subdirectories inside this current directory, I'm going to hit ls. And that'll display all the other possible folders, directories, files inside my Kyle directory. Now, say I want to go into one of these subdirectories. I'm going to type cd, and then maybe let's go to documents. Alright, so you see that the path has changed, and if I type pwd, it'll say that I'm in my documents folder. Let's hit ls to see what's inside of our folder. And there's nothing. Okay, so we're in the documents folder, but there's nothing existing in that folder currently. Alright, so if I want to go back to my home folder, type cd space ... and what do you know? I'm back where I started. Okay, we can ... all the way back to root. And that little slash means that you're in root. From there, if you want to view the files, there's a lot of system and configuration files in there. But we want to go back to where I was before, which is my home folder. So we're going to change directory home, display the file, and now we're going to change directory back to Kyle. Just to make sure, I'll type pwd, and there I am. Okay, now the terminal is getting a little cluttered, so I'm going to hit clear just so that I can get rid of all this junk. Okay, so type clear, and everything's gone. Nice and clean. If I want to open up a graphical application like Firefox, I'm going to type in Firefox and the ampersand symbol. Okay, after that, you see that it just pops up like that. Okay, that's the quickest way to get an application started if you're in the terminal. Okay, so we're going to get out of there. I'm going to clear this. Okay, let's clear that again. There we go. Okay, now so far we've gone over a few commands. What if you've hit a command before that is quite long and you don't want to type it over again? Just hit the up key and it'll automatically go to the last command you hit. If you hit up again, it'll go to the command before that, command before that. If you hit up, you can go through all of the previous commands you've entered. Okay, so that's kind of a useful tool if you've typed in a long command and you need to hit it again, or maybe you need to make a small adjustment to a long command. Just hit up and it'll pop up there and you can go through and edit it. Okay, so now that we've gone over that, let's go over saving and opening files. I'm going to start the text editor from the command line. This is not a graphical text editor, it's a command line text editor, and it's called Nano. Okay, so I'm just going to type nano, and here we are in the new Nano text editor. Okay, I'm going to write my document, and if you look down here at the bottom, there are a few things that you can do. You can hit Control G for get help, Control O for write out, which means save, and Control X for exit. All the options are at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to save this by hitting Control O as Hello World. and hit enter, and I'm going to exit with Control X. So now I'm here back at my home folder, my home directory, and I've just saved that file as hello world. If I hit LS to show the files in my current directory, right here you're going to see hello world that I just made. Alright, so that's saved right here. What if I want to open it again with nano and make edits to it? Well, I'm going to type nano, and then I'm going to type the name of the text file I want to open. And there it is. There's the text file I had created previously. Alright, so let's exit out of here. Let's say that maybe I want to move that hello world text file into my documents folder. You can see that there's hello world. If I hit LS, there's hello world, and there's documents. So if I want to move something, I'm going to type MV hello world, and then the next field is where I want to move it to. I want to move it to documents, and the name I'm going to give it is hello world. Hit enter, and so it's moved. If we hit LS, it's gone because we've moved it into our documents folder. So to move there, we're going to hit CD documents and hit LS, and there's hello world. We've successfully moved it to our documents folder. So now I think I want to delete that text file. The easiest way to delete a file or a directory on your machine is to hit RM and then the text file. And that's it. You hit LS and it is gone. There's nothing there. So let's go back. And now we are at where we began. Those are kind of some basic commands that you need in order to edit text files, move around inside the terminal. It's very useful if you don't have a graphical application. So it's good to get used to these terminal command lines. And I'll be back next week to make a more advanced video. Thanks a lot for watching. Again, thanks for watching.